In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox with a controller on PC. So if you have a wireless controller, then all you have to do is go to your settings app and then plug it in. So let's go to Bluetooth, and then over here click on add device and click on the first one. And here your Bluetooth or your controller will show up here. Make sure it's in pairing mode, and then just select it and it will be connected. And if you have a wired one, then just plug it in and it should start working immediately. And now you can just go into a Roblox game. So for example, Arsenal is a good game to test your controller support. So just go try this game out and see if your controller will work when you play the game. And if it doesn't work, then there is another thing you can do, which is to add Roblox as a Steam game to actually force controller support. So here's what I'm talking about. Let's open up Steam, and then in Steam go to just stay here, and then at the bottom here you'll see add a game. So just click on that and then click on add a non-Steam game, and then this list should start loading. In this list, just type in Roblox, select Roblox player, add selected programs, and now go to your library, and then in your library you'll see Roblox right here. So it's going to be part of your list. Click on it and make sure before you play this that you actually enable controller support in Steam. So just click on Steam over here at the top, and then click on settings, and then controller, and then over here PlayStation controller support, just select it and then click on enabled, just so it's fully enabled, just like that. And that's about it. So now you can close, and when you're using Steam, Steam's going to recognize your controller and is going to let you control Steam with your controller. And then you can click on the play button here, and it's going to launch Roblox from Steam, which is going to have controller support along with it. And that's should fix your issue if your controller didn't work on Roblox, on any controller supported game in Roblox. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.